Are you thinking about moving to Miami Shores today? I have a $4 million house tour listed by my buddy in my office, Vincent. We're gonna take a look at this brand new build. It's a 4-bedroom, 4-bath with a saltwater pool. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. This is a brand new build. This house was sourced by Vincent. It was basically a tear down that was on this lot. They tore it down and then the developer built this brand new 2-story, just top of the line house in Miami Shores. So on the outside, you have some really nice landscaping, some lush trees. You have a full security system and the house just has a lot of charm. So if you take a look, you'll see the brick and the windows that are all hurricane impact. It really is a beautiful home. So we're gonna walk on in and you have, coming on the inside, you have a great foyer, lots of natural light from your front door. You have a window facing north, looking over the grass area in the front lawn. We move on the inside, just a beautiful exposed living room, all open. Coming off the living room, you have a half bath right over here. Nice little powder, circle mirror, this black mat, vanity. Right, heading upstairs, we're gonna take a look at the bedrooms that are upstairs first, then we'll head back downstairs, take a look at the master. So the first bedroom is going to have an in-suite. You have a closet right over here that's ready to be built out for you. And then your in-suite bath. Love this hexagon pattern flooring. You have a tub and shower combo. And then going to the other bedrooms, they're shared by a Jack and Jill. Here's your second bedroom upstairs with closet, again, ready to be built out. Have a little pocket door for the bathroom, toilet, and this tile is beautiful, it's nice and glossy. And then this is the third bedroom up, again, shared by the Jack and Jill. And you have a walk-in closet on this one. So ready to be built out, tons of space in your closet. And now let's make our way back downstairs. We'll take a look at the den and the master. This is a great sized den. Maybe you could turn it into an office. It does have doors, so you can close it up. You could put maybe a television right on this wall. It does have the Cat 6 cables and the hookup for internet and cable, gas fireplace. Kitchen area over here has really nice exposed beams. It has a linear AC system throughout the entire house, and there's 3 AC units. Making our way over to the kitchen, top of the line cabinets, gas range oven, and of course, your pasta arm. Who doesn't like that pasta arm? Now back here, before we head out to the pool, want to show you your mud room, which is really neat because it's full of storage. You can do laundry back here. You have a sink. And in Miami Shores, a lot of the houses back up to an alley. So right over here, you do have room for a car. Right over here, this is a tankless water heater. Again, brand new, all on PVC pipes, no cast iron. You have your electrical panels right behind me. There is nothing that you need to do to this house. It's ready to go. All right, making our way outside. Before we head to the primary, notice that this sliding glass door opens up all the way. You have a beautiful saltwater pool. You have the calusia that's growing in right now. And then right back here is your cabana bath. So cabana baths, you have your toilet and you have your vanity. You could probably also fit like an outdoor shower back here. And then right back here, this is where the alley is. So you could open up this gate, pull your car in. The gate does have electrical here, so you can put in a motor. And what I really like about the development is that the AC units, take a look back here, the 3 of them, they're all tucked in. So normally, you know, the AC techs, they'll put them on the outside of the house, but these are all tucked in, so it's nice and flush. You aren't gonna see anything sticking out from the house itself. Again, attention to detail has been amazing on this house. We're gonna walk over to the primary now, take a look at that unit. Take a look at the master suite right over here. Amazing, lots of room. You're right on the pool here. You have a closet that's ready to be built out. Tons of room in here. Even has an AC. and some recessed lighting. And then the bathroom is absolutely incredible. Have a beautiful soaking tub. Look at this. Take baths all day long. You have stand-up shower, double vanities, his and hers, nice countertop area here, then a separate room for the toilet. So let me know, what do you think? If you could see yourself living here, my contact information is in the show description below if you have any other questions. Thanks so much, Vincent, for letting me tour the house. And thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.